Hi everyone, my name is Holly and I'm one of the engineering librarians, and welcome to this video on how to download PDFs from the British Standards Online database using the Google Chrome browser. Now the first thing that you need to make sure that you do is that you download the file open software. This is especially the case if you're a member of staff or if you're using your own device. You'll need to make sure that you have this file open systems plugin installed. You can do that either from this website, which is currently on your screen and I will be linking down below, or you can do it from the Apps Anywhere store as well. If you are using a fixed computer somewhere on campus, so for example a computer in the library or in the engineering building, you do not need to worry about this step because the software is already downloaded on fixed computers across campus, so you don't need to worry about downloading anything extra. Once you have this downloaded, the next thing that you'll need to do in Google Chrome is just to go into the settings and change a couple of things. So to get into the settings on Google Chrome, you just need to click on the three dots on the very far right here, and then come down to settings near the bottom. You then need to go into privacy and security on the left-hand side of the screen. And then you need to come into site settings just here. Once you've done that, if you scroll to the bottom of the page and then select additional content settings at the bottom, you have an option for PDF documents. So if you just select PDF documents, you just need to make sure that this download PDFs is selected. And that's all you need to do in the settings. So once that's all done, what you can then do is make your way to British Standards Online. So if we go to locate and type in British Standards Online, it will be our top result. So then you just need to click on the green online access link and then click on the blue British Standards Online link. And this will take you through to the British Standards database. Now from here you can browse through any standards that you would like to. If you know the specific details of the standard that you are looking for, you can just type that information into the search box here and get to that specific standard. I'm going to do a search for cars, just to see what standards there are about cars. And just a note, that if something is coming up in red saying not in subscription, unfortunately we do not have that particular standard available through the British Standards database. Anything in green with a tick saying in your subscription, that's fine. We can download the PDF for that. We can read the whole of that standard. So I'm going to select this one here about passenger cars. You have two options with standards on British Standards Online. You can either use the quick view, which gives you an overview of that standard and you can have a kind of scroll through and a browse through it, or you can download the PDF of this standard. So now that we're all set up, we're ready to download PDFs with our Google Chrome browser. I'm going to select download PDF. And we can see at the bottom here, it has downloaded that, and I'm just going to click on it and it has opened that PDF so I can view the whole of that standard. So we can scroll through it like this. We have the different sections on the left hand side, and then you have your usual options that you have with standards as well, with PDFs as well. So you can print them and you can save them. You can also make annotations and any notes as well. If you have any problems with accessing standards through British Standards Online, or you're having problems downloading PDFs, please do let the library know and we'll be very, very happy to help. I hope that you found this video useful. Thank you very much for listening.